If you're applying for a university course or even a job after graduating and you're unsure where to start, you need to get the ball rolling, I'm going to show you in the next 2 minutes how to use the power of AI to produce some real quality material that's going to prepare you for a successful application. I'm going to walk you through the exact process that I used with a client just a moment ago to apply for this MSc in Artificial Intelligence using the power of Notebook LM. So we create a new notebook and click Discover Sources, and you say, I need sources to successfully apply to, and then we sources. Take the web address from here and paste it in, and it starts immediately to look for some relevant sources to help us. So it's successfully identified 10 or so sources here, so we just click import and that will bring them into the chat. Of course, if you've got any of your own sources that you want to bring in from your research already, you can bring them in. But from this point here, you see you've already got an overview. You can create a video overview, an audio overview, and a mind map straight away. However, it's better to give it a little bit more guidance before we do that. So we change the chat, we give it a specific style and voice, and we want it to act as an application preparation coach who is challenging and tough. We want honest feedback. And the goal is to help me craft an outstanding application for an MA program, MSc program at Oxford. So with that in mind, we can then have a look at some of the suggested questions down here. If any of those are in line with what we want, we can just click go. And we may want to give it a targeted question. How can I best prepare for this application process? And you can see here its output, and it's being tough. It's saying this is critical, it's going to be hard, this is not easy. You really need to think about these things here, targeting, and it's given me a lot of important ideas. So we save that to note, bringing it over here. And then once it's saved as a note, click these 3 dots and convert it to source, and it brings it back over here. From there, we can now click, I want a video overview. Okay, so I want a video overview, interview process. I might want to focus on that. And so we click generate. And when it's finished processing over here, you'll be able to click play, and you'll have a 5-minute, nearly 6-minute video.
All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're breaking down how you can strategically prepare for what is, let's be honest, one of the most nerve-wracking interviews out there.
The acceptance rate, it's sitting at around 20%. So you're a good fit, you've got to understand what they're actually looking for. They're not just talking about business principles, right? They're talking about a broadened mindset. See, a good CV, it lists your job duties.
The voice is very lifelike, and the presentation is actually pretty good. Okay, so then you can watch it a couple of times and you can absorb the information, and this works a lot better for some people compared to simply reading about what to do. If you're applying for anything, a job role or further academic study, you want to hit the ground running, you want a strong start, try using Google Notebook LM for your initial prep. If you want me to walk through a specific course application, then just put course underneath here and I'll do one especially for you.